Welcome class 10. Today we will solve some problems, numerical problems on pulleys. So from page number 68, question number 1. A woman draws water from a well using a fixed pulley. The mass of bucket and water together is 6 kg. The force applied by the woman is 70 Newton. Calculate the mechanical advantage. You have to take acceleration due to gravity equals to 10 meter per second squared. So here mass of bucket and water is equal to 6 kg, that is given in the question, and force applied, the force applied by the woman is 70 Newton. So this is the effort, 70 Newton, and the load, since the bucket and water together it is 6 kg. So load is the force that is applied downwards. So it will be 6 kg mass with the acceleration due to gravity. If you multiply, it will be force is equal to m into a, that is 6 kg into acceleration due to gravity g, which will be equal to 60 Newton. So in order to lift the load of 60 Newton, 70 Newton of force is applied. So here we have to calculate the mechanical advantage, and the mechanical advantage is equal to L by E, that is load by effort. Load is 60 Newton and 70 Newton is the effort. So 60 by 70 is 6 by 7, which when you convert it into decimals you will get 0.857, which is the required mechanical advantage of the pulley. Next is question number 2. A fixed pulley is driven by a 100 kg mass falling at a rate of 8 meter in 4 seconds. It lifts a load of 75 kgf. Calculate number A, the power input to the pulley, taking the force of gravity on 1 kg as 10 Newton. Number B, the efficiency of the pulley, and number C, the height to which the load is raised in 4 seconds. So here a fixed pulley is there, in which in the effort 100 kg of mass is falling at the rate of 8 meter in 4 seconds. So that is 100 kg mass on the effort with the rate of falling rate is 8 meters in 4 seconds, and its load is 75 kg f. So here in question number A, you have to calculate the power input to the pulley taking the force of gravity on 1 kg as 10 Newton. So let's write what is given. Mass of the falling body is 100 kg, that is given. It falls at the rate of 8 meter in 4 seconds, means its displacement is 8 meter and the time taken is 4 seconds. And the load is given as 75 kg f. So the force of gravity on 1 kg is 10 Newton as it is given as the condition. And the force of gravity on 100 kg will be equal to 100 into 10, that is equal to 1000 Newton. So work done is equal to force into displacement. Now the force is this one, 1000 Newton, and displacement is 8 meters. So 1000 into 8 meters will be equal to 8000 joule of work will be done by the falling body. So its power, that is the effort, okay, power input, that must be the effort over here, is equal to work by time. Work done with respect to time is equal to 8000 joules divided by 4 seconds from here, which will be equal to 2000 watt. So the power input is 2000 watt. Next you have to find number B, the efficiency of the pulley. Now the efficiency is obtained by mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio. Now the mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. Now the load is 75 kgf and effort is 1000 Newton, that we have already obtained. So 75 kgf, we'll convert it in terms of Newton, we'll multiply it with 10, that is the acceleration due to gravity, that is 1 kg is equal to 10 Newton, which has been given in the question. So say 75 into 10 divided by 1000 Newton, where Newton will cancel, being the same similar unit, and 0 will cancel. So 75 by 100 will be left out, and 75 by 100 is equal to 0.75, which is the mechanical advantage of the machine. Now the velocity ratio of a single fixed pulley, we know, we have already learned, it is fixed. So velocity ratio of a machine is always constant, it will never change. So we have learned that velocity ratio is equal to 1. Therefore, efficiency will be equal to mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio, which is equal to 0.75 from here, divided by 1 is equal to 0.75. So efficiency is equal to 0.75. Next we have to find number C, the height to which the load is raised in 4 seconds. So you have to find the height when the body is falling, lifting the load of 75 kgf. So at 4 seconds, in 4 seconds, how much height at which the load will be raised, we have to calculate that one. So since velocity ratio of a single fixed pulley is equal to 1, this means that velocity ratio is displacement of effort divided by displacement of load. So it's the ratio of displacement of effort to displacement of load, which is equal to 1. So dE by dL equals 1 means dE will be equal to dL. This means whatever is the displacement of effort, that amount of displacement will be there for load as well. So in 4 seconds, if the effort is displaced 8 meters, then in 4 seconds the load will also rise to the same height of 8 meters, and that is the required answer. Next is question number 5. We have a block and tackle system of 5 pulleys. If an effort of 1000 Newton is needed in downward direction to raise a load of 4500 Newton, then you have to calculate the mechanical advantage, the velocity ratio, and the efficiency of the system. So in a block and tackle system of 5 pulleys, the number of pulleys is equal to 5. The effort is given as 1000 Newton and the load is 4500 Newton that has been given. So number A, the mechanical advantage is obtained by load divided by effort, that is 4500 divided by 1000, which will be equal to 4.5. So mechanical advantage of this block and tackle system is 4.5. Next, the velocity ratio of the system of 5 pulleys we have learned is equal to 5. So here no need to do the calculation. So VR is equal to 5. Next, you have to find the efficiency. Efficiency again is equal to mechanical advantage by velocity ratio. 4.5, that is the mechanical advantage, and velocity ratio is 5. When you divide this, you will get 0.9. 0.9, or you can also write it in percentage as 90%. That will be the required answer.